Here's something incredible about newborns: they come with a built-in breast crawl reflex. If you place your baby on your bare chest right after birth, they will begin to move instinctively toward your nipple. This amazing reflex kicks in just 12 to 44 minutes after birth, and within 27 to 71 minutes, the baby can actually latch on to feed all on their own. It's nature's way of helping your baby start feeding, and one reason skin-to-skin contact is so important right after birth. Fascinating, isn't it? Babies are full of surprises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a little secret.